In this video, we'll look at how we can perform trimming and video redaction on recordings from our body wearable cameras and in-car systems. To get started, we'll click on the three dots next to the file we want to redact and click the Trim and Redact button to start the process. First, we'll define any trimming we're going to do. You can use the sliding bars to isolate the part of the video you want to keep, or you can set the time ranges manually. This will send the trimmed recording to the video editor. Keep in mind that a maximum of 3 hours of video can be sent at a time. Once the video is sent to the editor, the system will run facial detection analytics to help speed up the redaction process. For any faces that are detected, the system will automatically create a mask. You can see the full list of detected faces and automatic masks under the Faces Detected section. If the person of interest is automatically redacted,
Hello, how's it going today, sir?
you can disable the mask by clicking the eye symbol next to it. In addition to the automatic masking, you can manually create masks to redact other people, objects, or areas. To create a new mask, click the plus sign next to additional masks. This will add a new bounding box to the project. You can resize the box, position it over the target, and then begin redaction by holding down the blue action button. By default, the video will play back at half speed while redacting, but you can adjust this based on the speed of the target. In addition to video redaction, you can also use the video editor to redact audio tracks from recordings. To add a new audio mask, click the plus sign next to Mask Audio. This will add a new audio mask to the project. You can then drag the start and end point for the mask to redact the audio as needed. When you're finished editing the recording, click Create Video to generate the redacted version of the video. This will create a separate copy and does not overwrite the original evidence file. The redacted version can then be added to either an existing case or a new one.